Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Dodge Charger Rallye, stock number B8799A. 81,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Brilliant black in color. The Charger is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the large car class, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and removable cargo net perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, as you can see. This Rallye has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6 liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Charger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.